Big shout out to UCF. You know what I'm saying? University of Central Florida, man. That's where I graduated from in 2015 with my bachelor's degree when I became a commissioned officer. You know what I'm saying? Second lieutenant in the Army, man. I always got to tell you guys that, you know what I'm saying? Because when something is important to you and it's a milestone in your life, you better be telling people. You know what I'm saying? Because it's only going to inspire people out there. So, man, life is amazing. You know, life is beautiful. And when I say it, I'm not just saying it. You know what I'm saying? I truly believe it, man. You know? And hopefully I'm just able to inspire you guys out there, man. You know what I'm saying? I always got to open up videos with that inspiration and that motivation. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to bring you guys some value, man. Everybody stay tuned out there. Hey, so a lot of you guys out there, you want to start your business, right? You want to start that dispatching company. You want to start that freight brokerage. You guys want to be owner-operators. You know, you guys want to start that trucking company, right? So let me tell you guys one thing out there is that a lot of you guys just be talking, you know, a lot of talk. I always tell you guys, man, don't be that person that's just always in the bleachers, always analyzing the basketball court, trying to analyze what's going on out here. Some of you guys just got to get in the game, man. You know what I'm saying? The only reason why I'm telling you guys this out there is because it took me a while to get in the game. You know what I'm saying? I used to be on the bleachers too. You know, I ain't been doing this forever. You guys know I just been doing this since 2017, man. You know what I'm saying? That shit inspire you guys out there. I ain't been doing this forever. I got a freight brokerage, dispatching company, trucking company where I lease on owner-operators, train, mentor people, starting a trucking school. Come on now. You know what I'm saying? Stop doing all that talking. Man, just get to it, you know? And the way you're gonna get to it is, if you wanna start your trucking company right now and you wanna become an owner-operator, you gotta write down those goals. You gotta be specific. You gotta write down your mission. You know what I'm saying? And then you gotta start executing. And the way you're gonna execute is, one critical piece I learned in the military, especially me being a military officer, man, big shout out to the military, man. You know what I'm saying? Every time I think about the military, I get hyped about it. You know? It's something about it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's only a small percentage of us, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna serve. It's like a small fraternity with a whole bunch of disciplined people, man. A whole bunch of go-getters. That's how I feel, man. You know, hey, don't get me wrong, there's some people in the military that's some dirt bags too. You know what I'm saying? That's what we used to like to call them. But, man, if you raised your right hand and took that oath, it's something special about you. Even if you wasn't motivated, you know? So one thing I learned in the military is the backwards plan. You guys hear that? Backwards planning, man. So let me give you guys an example right now. If you say you want to start your trucking company in August of 2020, now you got to start backwards planning, you know? Now you got to start figuring out, how can you achieve that by August 2020? So now you got to be specific. Now you got to start writing down your goals. You got to start writing down how you're going to attack this. You know, what do you need to do? What type of paperwork do you need to fill out? What type of applications do you guys need to submit out there? When are you going to go buy that truck and that trailer? You know, are you planning on hiring a driver? How much are you going to pay that driver? You know, are you going to provide that driver any type of benefits? Any type of, you know what I'm saying, bonuses? Whatever it is, the time is now. Now you got to start thinking about stuff like that. Same thing about your freight brokerage and your dispatching company. What do you have to do on your freight brokerage side? When are you going to acquire that $75,000 surety bond? How's your credit score? You know, your surety bond is based off of your credit score. You're going to pay a certain percentage of that $75,000. You know what I'm saying? And it's all based off your credit score. When are you going to apply for that $300 MC, that motor carrier authority application with the FMCSA? That's what I'm talking about. You know, So you guys want to start your business out there, but you guys are just on the bench right now. You know what I'm saying? It's okay, you know, be on the bench. And if you're gonna be on the bench, truly sit back, analyze what's going on, but don't be so critical about it. You know, just analyze it, put the mission in your head and execute out there, you know? So, man, I just want to put this quick video out there to you guys, man, just to keep that on your mind, you know? That's one thing in this world. A lot of you guys are going to get sidetracked. You guys have, you know, 9 to 5s, or you working 12 hours a day and you got a family. I've been there. Trust me, I've been there. Ask my wife, ask my family. Shoot, go ask my 4-year-old right now. You know what I'm saying? Daddy has been gone, you know, for a long time. But daddy's home now. Daddy done figured out a way, you know what I'm saying, to make this money from this cell phone and from that laptop, from that computer. And it's nothing like it, you know? So, however I can help you guys out there, man, you know, I'm willing to help, man. I'm about to start a segment of YouTube videos, basically making YouTube videos by what's going to be special request, you know? So if you guys have any special requests when it comes to me creating content and making YouTube videos, feel free to leave a comment, shoot me an email, do what you gotta do. Let me know what you want me to cover, and I'm gonna start making YouTube videos, man, you know, to help out my subscribers who have specific questions, because if you guys have questions, I guarantee the next person has questions too out there. So like I say, man, put that mission in your mind, put it on paper, put your goals down on paper, get your hit time. That's what we used to call it in the military, meaning your deadline. So like I said, if your deadline is August of 2020, you better start figuring it out now. You better start backwards planning, and you better start executing out there. It's no time to be wasted, man. You know what I'm saying? Life is not promised. Tomorrow is not promised, you know? Right now I'm here, tomorrow I may be gone, but today I'm gonna execute like it's no other day. You know what I'm saying? Like it's going to be no other days on this earth. Today is the day, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, big shout out to UCF, University of Central Florida. If you guys have any questions out there, feel free to hit me on my email at broker@managedtrans.com. Live workshop coming up here March 7th through the 8th in Orlando, Florida. We'll be teaching you guys how to start that dispatcher company, how to get it operational, man, and just how to get to this money. You know what I'm saying? March 7th through the 8th. Everything is in the description box below. Hey, I had a subscriber ask me, he was like, when you say the description box below, how do I get there? I'm gonna tell you, YouTube needs to actually fix this problem because it's not convenient to find the description of the videos. I know some of you guys know where it's at, you know, so I'm gonna just tell you guys, there's a small triangle to the right below of the title. Just touch that triangle and then the description is going to pop up in the videos. Pretty easy, man, out there. You know what I'm saying? Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS. Everything is in the description box below. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.